surprised Zolega with a brand new car. Ati push present. Thank you for carrying our son, Wavumile. Kawa is awake and she's asking about Ligamva. They explained to her that she got a heart transplant, but now she wants to know whose heart was it. Tumeka is losing it. She thinks that Ligamva is going to come. She's busy dishing up for him and Mosheli Mpahla. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Zolega and Laz had a beautiful romantic evening dinner. They're just talking about the olden days, about their exes, and just going on about how their love is real. They've never felt like this before. Utando ulululu. And in the morning, Ulaz had a surprise for Zoleka. Said kuba he's grateful that no man took her when she was in the States for 20 years. To Zoe, there were men there, but nje, it just didn't work. And then Ulaz then decided to put some please get dressed, just put on your gown, let's go outside. Yo. So they walk outside. When they get outside, there's a surprise waiting for Uzoleka. And it's a brand new car. Yo guys, this surprise was beautiful. Like covered and balloons, a red beast. It was just so beautiful. Uzoleka was speechless, saying thank you so much. You know, it's beautiful to see how Laz appreciates and spoils Zolega like this, and Zolega is appreciative even though she has her own money and she can afford to do things for herself. But having her man do it this for her, I mean, that's top tier. And Uzola is still shocked because you got me a car. Yes. When Bavumila was born, we were also busy. There was a lot going on. There was a custody case, Silano Shati, and for custody Mtwana, everything else was just happening. Ngala Uqawe got sick. The next thing Lilian was attack and INJ. We've always been fighting. They've always been doing with a lot of things. And I didn't get a chance to celebrate you. Celebrate is Tanda Sam. So, and I've always wanted to get you a push present for carrying our son. Uba Vumile, like the greatest gift that Ulaz has ever gotten, I guess, because like Uba Vumile is his life. And then Ati, thank you. You carried us. Like now it's time that you get something now. So I got you this car. And as you even pushed me to like reconcile with my father. I mean, that's huge because Laz would have just let the relationship slide. But Uzolega was like, nope, not under my watch. You guys are reconciling. Uzolega is speechless, crying. Ulaz is like, you know what? Come here. You deserve it. You deserve all of this. Please, actually, just wait until you see what else I've got planned. That yeah, when I can't stop, please. Because already a whole brand new car is a surprise. I mean, that's a lot already. Don't tell me you've got something else, hey? Laz and Zoe are so sweet, Claire. They're just giving couple goals. About to make a Cosmo struggling to accept why Ligamva is gone and find them the family having dinner and tells them go to plate Ligamva futhi uXolani is sitting on Ligamva's seat. Please move. They're busy saying no, Tumeka, Ligamva is not coming back, but she's not even listening. And then she starts dishing up for Ligamva. Zuhlat is even wondering Tumeka is losing her mind. Now she's talking to them. They're leaving on Tulani. Thank you guys for being here for us. But this time I was like, no, I'm not going anywhere. There's no way I'm going to leave with Tum Tum. When they come back in, I'm going to stay and sleep in Ligamva's room. When they come back in the house, Tumeka is dished up for Ligamva saying that Yo, now they're really concerned because Utumega speaks about Ligamva a shop or 3 shots is going to come back. Once it's like that's what grief does for you, Vele Ikanjalo. Like it can mess you up. So let's just give her grace and just simsies. She comes now as a twirling Patlas Galigamva. She was washing the clothes now, wanting to hang them on the washing line. Tanda was even saying, let me help you. No, on the right, sis. I'm just hanging in Patlas Galigamva. Because he's starting his job tomorrow, the one that Lazarus got for him. Now everyone is shocked with hey, to make what's going on. Are you really not registering that Ligamva is gone? And then Khat had to tell her, hey, Mom Gwevu to make Ligamva is no more. We buried him and he's not coming back. It's like this thing again in to make hey. Papa Uqawe is up or is awake and she's asking about Ligamva. Where's everyone else? because it's just Uzoleka no Olas. Where's everyone else? Where is Likamva? Then they decided to sabotage because they said they want to enjoy this moment by one without fighting, without anything. So they phone Uhlati to tell him Uqawe is awake and she wants to see you. And so Uhlati hangs up and tells everyone hey, what Uqawekazi is awake. Uzoleka wants us to go to hospital so we can explain to her what happened. Uthumeka athi yay, I'm not going there. And Uhlati is just like, but umntanethi lona Uhlati I can be so insensitive. I mean, this is still new. The wound is still new. How can she expect Uthumeka to go see Qhawe knowing exactly ukuthi Likamva side is the one that's beating inside of Qhawekazi. So Uthando was like, no, it's fine, I'll stay with her. Nontsika was like, naye nami ngizohlala naye. So kuzohamba Uhlati no Thulani. They get to hospital, Uqhawe is happy to see her dad and says, can someone explain to me what's going on? Because I feel like I've got something here. Did I have another operation? What's going on? Uzoleka then starts explaining, you had a heart attack kwakhona, and so Uzoleka is like, Uqhawe wants to understand, this seems like surgery. What happened? Kwenzekale ndibene operation again. Uhlati is like, mntanami, you got a heart transplant. Uqhawe wants to know manje. I-heart transplant, ikabani inhliziyo? Whose heart is it? Uqhawe is going to be so heartbroken when she finds out ukuthi she's alive nje because inhliziyo kaLikamva, and uLikamva had to be put down for her to survive. I mean, like, really? So, and she did say that she did not want a heart transplant. So to find out that her brother had to die for her to live, this is not going to sit well with her. Basazoqhaza, I tell you. And then Uzwaqapkela, she's probably going to move back to Cosmo when she realizes how sad or heartbroken Thumeka is. And then uMagwalandle is busy trying to get Ulandle to hide this whole thing. But Ulandle is like, I need to tell the truth. Umawethu has to work with Landle on a project and is not keen, saying, can you get someone else? Go Onga. Onga's like, tell me what the problem is, and he can't talk. Okay, it's certainly relations or Landle keeps begging Umawethu because Umawethu gave him an ultimatum. I think if you don't come clean by Friday, I'm the one who's going to tell them, because these people are going through a lot. Can you imagine? And I heard when you went there, you went there when and she said you looked heartbroken. I mean, that's not heartbreak, it's not grief, it is guilt. You're feeling guilty. I went there to tell them the truth, but I couldn't. I felt like God, but hey, I will Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.